Remember those days when your mom used to go to the vegetable market every weekend to pick the freshest of veggies and fruits just to make sure that she has everything ready to prepare delicious home cooked meals for the upcoming week? Hmm. Who knew our mothers would be the inventors of this modern idea called meal planning? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Institute of Nutrition and Fitness Sciences. I'm your host Bala, ready to spill the beans on health, nutrition, fitness, training and a lot more. Today, I'm going to talk about meal planning as we all might have already guessed it. Meal planning may sound to be a very modern idea, but it has been in practice for ages, especially in India. Our grandparents and parents always went to the local market on one of the days in the week to get all the ingredients required for the next week's meals. But thanks to the fast and busy life that we have adopted, some of us have forgotten about this weekend chore, which now scores the charts of a dietitian's recommendations. Today, we grab breakfast, lunch, or dinner from the restaurants on the go. But what does that result in? Well, you eat unhealthy food and you empty your pockets. So why not get reintroduced to the simple act of meal planning that has quite a few benefits up its sleeve? Let us start by understanding what is meal planning. What's for dinner? That's one question I tend to ask even today. I'm quite sure most of you also ask this question pretty much on an everyday basis. Well, instead of every night, you need to ask this question on a particular day of the week, preferably on a weekend, as we are mostly free then and have your answers ready. So meal planning is nothing but spending some time in advance on a particular day to plan a certain number of meals for the week. The goal is to never find yourself in front of an open empty fridge wondering what to cook or whether to simply order some food. With a meal plan in hand, all you got to do is shop for the ingredients, decide on the recipes that you would love to have for that week, and then prep the freshly bought ingredients. Now let me tell you why you should go for a meal planning. What are the benefits of meal planning? Meal planning is one of the ways to stay on the top of your fitness games. It stops you from derailing off your bad plan and helps you achieve your fitness goals efficiently. The very first benefit of meal planning is that it saves time. Our hectic schedules makes it difficult for us to cook meals separately and follow a diet. Meal planning proves to be a potential tool in compensating not only for the little time that we have, it saves some quantifying and cooking time during our working days and helps us stay consistent with our diet. Secondly, it improves your food choices. With sufficient time on your hands to plan and prepare meals, you might make better food choices. There is a possibility that you may end up selecting a variety of wholesome foods consciously that may improve the overall quality of your diet. This in turn helps you keep your weight in check. According to a study, meal planning might even prevent obesity. Now moving to the next benefit, meal planning saves money. It helps you have healthy food on a limited budget. With all the efforts put into planning the meals, you tend to feel an obligation in preparing and eating them. You also stop having Western foods, which not only keeps you away from having junk food, but also saves big bucks. Lastly, meal planning reduces wastage. A planned meal gives you an idea of the quantity of the food you have to prepare for yourself and your family. With that, there are fewer leftovers, which leads to lesser wastage of food. Also, cooking food is no easy task. Having put so much effort into cooking meals at home, I don't think you would see throwing that food away as an option. Now, you might even face some potential barriers in meal planning. Let me address those. The first barrier would be lack of time. While this may sound as an excuse for some, it can be a genuine issue for others. Juggling multiple responsibilities, one is bound to face scarcity of time so intense that meal planning might not find its way in your checklist. And upon finding some free time, relaxing might take over, jotting down the meal plans. But in the end, it is you who needs to decide whether you wish to keep slouching on your couch and gain fat, or get your meal plans ready to enjoy all the benefits that I spoke of earlier. The next obstacle in meal planning can be grocery shopping. This may come across as a difficult task for a few if they have never ever been out and about to buy ingredients for home cooked meals. Some may find out that they lack knowledge when it comes to picking the freshest of veggies and fruits that are highly nutritious. But once you start and fall into the habit, you will be a pro at it. All you need to do is just start. The last barrier in meal planning is your cooking skills. This is one of the major barriers when it comes to meal planning. While we have all been truly inspired by the many seasons of MasterChef Australia, we were quick to realize that cooking is no easy thing to do upon stepping into the kitchen. And then our over expectations get the better of us, putting us off the entire meal planning process. But whoever said that you needed to be a master chef, nothing is impossible with some good practice. You might burn the first 1 or 2 meals, add a little less salt in your dish, but don't let that stop you. Always keep the benefits of meal planning in sight and just step into it. Knowing all the advantages of meal planning, it is definitely an activity to consider while starting your fitness journey. Although you may face the obstacles that have been stated earlier, I recommend you remember all the perks it has to offer. It will keep you on track, improve your diet quality, and also keep your pockets from getting rich. With that being said, I hope you have gotten to know about meal planning through this video. If you have found it useful, smash that like button, share this video to spread knowledge, subscribe to our channel, and keep watching to know all about fitness, health, and nutrition.